she has a problem with animal sounds. Here's Christina, my witness. And yeah, we're live.
Please. Well, like you heard, my name is Kristen. Tell me if this sounds like a zebra, because I don't think so. That's a horse sound. It's not a zebra. They're teaching kids the wrong animal sounds, and it makes me really mad. Now, this one I got even more mad about. Like, this is a fox. Doesn't even look like a fox.
Anybody working in each to customer service, please? Anybody working in each to customer service,
Shut up!
please? Thank you.
Okay. And like, listen to this. What is that? It's not a fox. No. What is this to you? What does this sound like? No. Okay. This is a fox. This is a fox. I'm very mad about this. Okay.
And we are reporting to you live at Walmart at 10:28 p.m. And there's Kristen once again. Now, as we venture through Walmart, we'll have to update you later on the other ventures of life and...
Wait, hold on.
Wait, she's not done. Wait, she's not done. Plus,
Hold on.
I missed the button.
This is not... This is the wrong animal sound, but this is really funny.
I hate gorillas, but that was actually pretty funny.
I'm back.
And, okay, so here's all three of us, and we love y'all very much.